Jurors in the corruption trial of former Alderman Ed Burke heard more FBI recordings and testimony about alleged kickbacks surrounding redevelopment of the old post office.
WGN's Dana Rebeck was in the courtroom and joins us now live with details. Dana?
Well, today's testimony did center around that post office building, which sat in former Alderman Danny Solis's ward. We heard several new audio and video recordings today, including one where Ed Burke made controversial remarks about the developer of that post office building, who is Jewish.
Are you flying out of O'Hare?
O'Hare, back to New York.
Good. Have a safe trip.
That was New York developer Harry Skydell in 2017, leaving a meeting with former Alderman Ed Burke and Danny Solis, who wore a wire for the FBI. Skydell, who bought the old Chicago post office, was frustrated with permit and Amtrak delays that were sidelining the redevelopment project. Burke saying he could help with the red tape because he knew Jeff Moreland, a top exec at Amtrak.
He's a presidential appointee to the Amtrak board.
Okay.
They're headquartered in Philadelphia, of course.
Yes.
But we made his daughter a judge here in Cook County. And one of his other daughters went to high school with my daughter, Sarah. So we're family, personal friends. And I know if you ever run into a problem there, Jeff can be helpful.
Burke wanted Skydell as a client in his tax law business, telling Solis he would pay him if he could convince Skydell to hire him.
If you can tee him up, you can be our consultant.
Then that would be okay?
Sure.
No legal problems? Or
Not that I know of.
Okay, because I would trust you on that.
You're not going to get in any trouble, and I'm certainly not going to get in any trouble at this stage of the game.
I do like the idea of a consulting and a percentage, and I'll work to get more for you.
Good. I'm a believer if you're making money that you should share the wealth. So you and I will never.
Yeah, this is
we'll
the
just
end.
figure out a way that's going to be above board, legal, etc.
On the stand this afternoon, we also heard from Ray Lang, Vice President of State-Supported Services for Amtrak. He read through emails from Burke and other city officials, Lang characterizing the interaction between Burke and Skydell as symbolic of what he called old-school corrupt Chicago politics. Burke's attorney objecting to that statement. And late in the day, we also heard a controversial recording where Burke uses inflammatory statements against Jewish people during a conversation with Solis regarding competing law firms.
You know as well as I do, Jews are Jews. And they'll deal with Jews to the exclusion of everybody else, unless
Yeah, you can see it in the statement.
unless there's a reason for them to use a Christian.
Now, when it came to that corrupt comment made by Amtrak's Ray Lang, Burke's attorneys wanted a mistrial over that statement. The judge said attorneys on both sides can file motions that she will consider tomorrow. Live in Lincoln Park, Dana Rebeck, WGN News.